For a start, definitely have on a tube top. I already went ahead and pulled up the video. It's on the side to me. So let's get into this fun video.
I always start with contouring. I always start with the dark and then I add the light. What I like to do with this is to bring it in and you just use it to like eliminate stuff. And I'm gonna go in ham. Like I'm gonna use makeup. Like I'm not gonna pretend like.
Just drench me.
Okay, so he doesn't use primer and he started off with concealer. He used quite a bit, so I'm gonna go ahead and just do that as well. Let me just go ahead and drag it here. I'll try to get it really close onto my eye, and he kind of drags it down. Wow, this is a lot of concealer. Okay, so then he goes into the center, and looks like he drags it above the brow bone as well. He blends it out with a traditional flat foundation brush. I don't have that, so I'm just use what I have. So he basically like blends out the concealer. Oh shit. Okay. Yeah. So I'm blending this for my life right now because I'm watching the video trying to see like what does he do specifically, and here I am letting my concealer dry. He doesn't do this, but I'm going to just to kind of press the outer perimeter of the concealer just so it looks a lot better blended because my concealer is kind of dried, so I need a little bit more help with making sure it looks blended. I look a little crazy right now because all I have on is concealer at the moment, but hopefully I am snatched at the end of this.
Oh, you named this look?
Yeah, it's called Snatchral.
Snatchral.
It's snatched, but
Yes. Wow, he really just carved out an entire jawbone for her.
I don't have cream bronzers, but I do have 2 brown lipsticks that we're gonna go ahead and use. Okay, honey, they're cream products. Okay, and they're good for contouring. So I have, I'm gonna take Antique Velvet. Wow, dude, I'm scared. I'm scared. Okay, so I'm gonna blend it because he actually blends it as he goes as well. Am I getting snatched? Hold on. Can I see a difference? Girl, I don't know. He also does her décolleté. I'm gonna skip all of that. I'm not doing none of that. I'm just not doing none of that, okay? You guys can't even see my décolleté, so we're just gonna act like everybody else is like, okay, so he also does the same thing on this side. Oh, I may have put way too much on. Wow! Let's hope this works out for me because this is just... So I'm gonna go ahead and blend. Oh my god, no. Oh wow, I did way too much of this. Way too much. Oh no. I'm freaking out. Okay, yeah, let's blend this bad boy. Wow, I can't believe I did that. Okay. It's not so bad. Not so bad. Not until you turn to the side. It's not too bad. Go ahead and do the same thing on this side, but just, you know, a lot less. Go ahead and blend that out. Down towards the mouth area. Yeah, it looks so much better when I don't overdo it. But part of me feels like I need to even it out because over here is so, like, chiseled, and over here it was like, oh, natural, so, you know, I'm here, but I'm not really here. And over here is like, bitch, what's up? I came to the party. All right, now he does her forehead.
Okay, minimizing your forehead now. Like the light's hitting right here, so I'm just taking it down. That's all. You just...
Okay, I'm feeling very overwhelmed. I look a little crazy. I really do look a little crazy, but I can see the sculpting happening. So I'm gonna keep riding with Scott for a bit here. So he's contouring her nose, and I use Antique Velvet to be my cream bronzer or contour for the day. But for my nose area, because I don't really contour my nose and I don't really like the way it looks on me, I'm gonna go ahead and use MAC Photo, which is like a lighter brown, to do this step. I'm scared. Now he's outlining her lip with a darker cream product, so I'm just gonna use Photo as well. This is kind of cool. I've never seen this before, so interested to see how it looks when it's all completed. So he's now using a foundation on a brush, and basically he's taking the foundation and going in between the areas in which he applied the highlight and the contour to kind of blend those two together. He's using a lighter foundation. I don't literally only own one foundation. This is the Clinique Beyond Perfecting foundation. I have been using this for a very long time and it always works for me. So I'm just gonna go ahead and use what I got, and I'm using a stippling brush and just apply it in between those areas to see what's really going on. So he applies it like he doesn't directly apply it onto the contour or anything. He just essentially applies it around. So, ooh, okay. Hold up. Okay, tell me you see this. Okay, there's this side, and then there's, whew, I see what he's trying to teach me. And I'm here. Yo, that blended so well. I am shook. Okay. I don't look crazy no more. Okay. Hold on. Let me keep watching. What else does he do? Okay, so he basically just does that all the way around. So I'm also going to just do the same thing that I've been doing on this side of my face to the rest of my face in and around the areas in which I have contoured and highlighted. Okay, hold on. I feel like I need a smaller brush for this because I feel like I'm getting rid of the contour. So I'm actually going to go in with my Sephora number. You guys don't care. I'm going to pat this brush into my forehead. Girl, you know what I'm trying to say. Okay, don't play with me. I'm just going to go ahead and pat that in because I feel like with this stippling brush, I was kind of going over the contour. And I kind of feel like I lost it a little bit. Damn, am I failing at this? Okay, whatever. We're going to keep going. But I'm using this. Ooh, I feel like I'm failing at this. Okay, whatever. I'm trying. I'm really trying. I may have messed up in the forehead area, but I definitely did not mess up in the rest of the face. At least give me that, girl. At least give me that. Wow, dude, I'm so snatched. I'm not even done yet. My face looks so blended. Wow, okay, keep going. Okay, so he does a lot of body bronzing. I'm gonna skip that part because I naturally have that. Not to toot my own horn, but toot. Melanin is already there, so we're gonna go ahead and skip over that.
No, seriously, keep the chapstick. You can have it.
He still hasn't blended her nose contour. Like, what the hell's going on here? Oh, did he blend it? Oh my god. So he also used the foundation and patted it over that lip contour. Because I'm like, wait, what the hell's going on? I was so confused for a second. So he doesn't like try to blend it away. He just like pats it. Okay, girl, just watch.
Okay, so instead of just eliminating that lip, we're just patting over it gently.
I don't know if that really did anything for me. I think that if I had smaller lips, maybe I would have been able to see the effect, but I don't. My lips just they look the same to me. They don't look any pouted. They don't. Okay. Yeah. Okay. I see why he did it, but I don't think it's giving the effect on me that it should because my lips are already naturally full. So, cool. Next. Okay, because I feel like I really screwed up my forehead, I'm going back in with the brush that I used to apply my cream bronzer. No extra product at all. I'm just taking whatever's left on the brush and trying to like blend that down just a little bit. Because I feel like my forehead is just highlight and no bronze. I'm just doing that. That's it. Not adding anything extra. Then I'm going to go over back with, where's my foundation brush? Where is my foundation brush? Oh, it's staring right at me. And I'm literally just going to take the brush and just pat it around that. Just so it's not looking harsh or like awkward in any way. So just patting it. Once again, no extra product on the brush. I'm just trying to fix what I screwed up. So he's using a cream blush. Don't have that, but I do have a cream lipstick. So that's what we're going to use again. So fun fact, I actually gave away almost 90% of my lipsticks. I literally have 4 lipsticks in my possession. I just stopped wearing lipsticks. I'm a gloss girl and I don't really go for color outside of the nudes and I'm basic. So the only 2 colors that I can use as blush is my Fenty Mademoiselle lipstick. This is in Freckle Fiesta. I was trying to avoid like a peachy blush color, but I gotta work with what I got. So I'm just gonna take a little bit and just pat it in this area. Okay, and then just use my stippling brush and just press it into the skin and to help blend it out. I'm just gonna layer and blend and then layer and then blend and then layer and blend because that's basically what he's doing. He's just adding a little by little and slowly building it up, which I think is a great technique, but honestly naturally I don't have the patience for it, so I just go ham. I just go right in. Okay, so he added a little bit more concealer under her eyes. I don't know why, because I don't feel like I need it, but I'm gonna follow him anyways. I'm literally gonna use the tiniest amount because that's what he did. Okay. Let's see what this does. Go back to my concealer brush. Pat it in. Okay, I can see why he did that because it kind of corrects where I brought too much of my cream products too close to my eyes, and it kind of creates that division right here between your eye area and your cheekbone. And in a nice way. Next thing he does is he goes in with powder and he powders his face, so her face. He powders her under eye and all the areas in which he highlighted. I'm going in with the Sacha Buttercup powder. And I'm just gonna set my under eye. Wait, her nose is blended? What is going on? Okay, her nose is magically blended, which I completely missed that. So I'm gonna go ahead and just blend this out. He didn't show, so I'm just gonna assume that he just blended it out. I don't know if he had a specific technique when he was doing this because that wasn't shown to me. I feel very cheated because I don't like to contour my nose anyways, so I could have really skipped this step because he didn't even show me how to do it. All right, cool. No hard feelings. No hard feelings, Scott. Gotta keep some of the secrets to yourself. I totally get it. Totally get it. I'm just gonna go ahead and do this now because I don't want it to be obvious. I don't even think my nose looks contoured. Okay, whatever. Moving on. Setting my under eyes. That's what we were doing next. Set the under eyes. So I'm gonna go ahead and set my under eyes. After he sets her face, he applies highlighter. I'm gonna go in with my Fenty Beauty Hustle Baby highlight and just apply that to my face.
Love that.
See?
Ooh, yes.
Ooh, she's gorge. And I'm like one of those people, I just kind of mash everything together.
I'm watching this and I'm like, oh, okay.
Now he's bronzing up her face. I'm going to be using my Anastasia bronzer in Mahogany to basically go over the areas in which we bronzed. And then around the perimeters of face, he kind of pats it in. Now he does her lip. I'm using NYX lip liner in Chestnut. He's applying the lip gloss. I'm gonna go ahead and do this.
Okay, now this is important. Tip alert. Feel what I'm doing? Going out to the edge. Not, I'm taking it and out into the,
We're gonna feather, he said to feather out the lip gloss like upwards to the outer portion of your lip line. After he does her lips, he moves on to her brows. He uses a powder first to create nice little shape and give a little bit more definition and structure to her brow. Doesn't really talk much about the brows. I'm just assuming he filled it in according to her natural shape. Because the brows do look very, very natural. I think he just kept it simple. So this is the final look. After what was the last step? I can't remember. Okay, whatever the last step that I just did, he basically went on to eyes and he kind of gave a little bit of a technique, like showed you a little bit of what he did, but not really. So I just went ahead and did my eyes off camera, applied my lashes. If you don't know, I have a lash brand if you'd like to shop with me. Link in the description box. I'm using the style Shaa after me. And I also went ahead and did my hair in like a low bun. Really messy, lazy one, to be honest. It's been about 4 days since I've really touched my hair because, let's face it, we aren't going anywhere. I've been in my house 4 days on end. So I guess quarantine and makeup has done something for me. Quarantine, my hair thanks you very much. This is the first time I've really gotten pretty and I really enjoyed playing with my makeup. I enjoyed playing with Scott Barnes' makeup techniques. I will admit that this is a lot of makeup, okay? This is a lot of makeup and you can tell I'm wearing makeup, but you can't say nothing bad about it, okay? Because I'm blended. I'm blended everywhere. Don't even try to come for me. I can go many different angles and you're not gonna find anything clockable with this blend. Okay, I really do feel like I did a good job. And this technique, I can see why it looks good in photos. I can see why it looks good on camera because it's very flawless. It's heavy duty, but it's very flawless. And this is definitely gonna be probably my birthday face because why not? Okay, I'm trying to look this flawless on my birthday if I'm allowed to go outside. If not, I'm still gonna be in my house looking this good. If you'd like to see another video like this, go ahead and check out my girl Chante Marie. I'll link her channel down below. She also did this video, and just check out her channel in general. I really like her content. Okay, So yeah, she totally inspired me to do this video because I saw her do this on her channel. I was like, oh my god, I've been wanting to do this. And then when I saw her do it and I saw it came out so beautiful on her, I was like, yeah, I'm gonna do it. So I went ahead and did it. Let me know what you think about this video down below in the comment section down below. I just repeated myself. Let's try that again. Let me know what you think about this video down below in the comment section. Let me know how you feel I did. Let me know if you'll be playing around with your makeup and trying out this technique. And how do you think it looks? Like, how do you think it looks on me as a brown skin girl? Oh my god, I'm rambling. If you'd like to see more content from me, be sure to subscribe. And I'll see you next Monday because I upload every Monday. Alright. Bye. Whoa, sis. That is not okay. So what we're not going to do is act like that's not a problem. That's not what we're going to do.